Mendes tuag at y postyn pella. Dod I mewn ma Nathan Pete. A mae o wedi rhoi'r Bala ar y blaen. Mae'n hoffi sgorio yma. I gath o ddwy yn hanner cynta'r tymor. A mae dyr ei tîm Colin Kitten ar y blaen. Arsan I fyny tuag at Aaron Williams. Mae Mwandwe o flaen Peter, gorfod ymalus ar un cerdyn melyn. Mwandwe ar ergydd, gwaith gwych gan Kieran Smith. Ar dacl I mewn, mae'n disgyn I Ishmael ar ei droed chwith. Mae'n heibio dau chwaraewr. Ar ergyd yn cael ei arbed gan Ramsey. Williams ar cyfla. Gwaith gwych gan Sel Ishmael. Yn ei Ramsey weithio, oedd hi'n syth ato fo. O'n symudiad gora o'r noson gan y Drenewydd. Ramsey. Chwilio mwn at y cefn I James Davies. Mae'n bas da I Sean Smith. Yr sodliad gan fo I Will Evans. Evans ar groesiad benni dda tuag at Venables! Ar y postyn pella. Yn dyblu mantais y Bala. Oedd y groesiad yn odidog. Dim gobaith I Dave Jones fod wedi cael I fraich iddi. Newtown, they're down to the bare bones and they tried to frustrate it with their game plan and they scored at the right time just before the half.
Yeah, it was a great header, we always thought we could do them on set plays. Our set plays are worked on in training. But they had like a mid-block. We had a lot of possession in the first half but didn't create enough chances for me to be happy with the performance, really. It doesn't matter how many times you pass it, it's about scoring goals and creating chances. The more chances you create, the more goals you score, and second half we looked more of a threat and put a lot more pressure on them.
I'm really pleased with the players. Listen, the team was thrown together somewhat with obviously the people we had missing. I think we probably had 7 players missing tonight with injuries and suspension. So, I'm pleased with the players' endeavour, the commitment they brought. We changed the shape slightly. They bought into that. So I've got to be pleased with that. Obviously, disappointing and frustrating to lose a goal. Lose the game into the goals in the manner that we did. And that 20-minute spell, we'll probably look back at that and think, we should have capitalised and scored 1 or maybe 2 that our player deserved.